In the year 1995, the MSX group Computania released a new, fully integrated development environment for assembler programmers. This new IDE went by the name Compass, this being a simple contraction of Computania Assembler. It received raving reviews from the MSX magazines, and a lot of developers switched to this new assembler. After the original group left the MSX scene, a new group arose, calling themselves Computania The Next Generation, and they took over the development of this IDE. With the rise of cross-platform development, Compass became less relevant for the active developers, and only from time to time some enthusiasts would ask where to obtain a version of Compass. Since the package was never made available for download, this became a hurdle for new developers, who simply wanted to try out this magnificent package. Now, in 2021, 26 years after its first release, Compass has been declared freeware. The latest version, Compass 1.2.9, was repackaged, the manual got a makeover, and this package is now available under the name Compass, the finally free edition.